sick with the money, I could cough a stack. Yeah. Anything I come with my shit like this. Yeah. Going in. I'm crazy with the swag, no, he's a maniac. I'm sick with the money, I could cough a stack. Bitch, I'm on the top, tell me niggas where you at. And really, I'm spitting when it comes to this rap. Once it starts to pop off, my goons will attack. So I suggest you play it smart and nigga, just relax. I'm the player in the circle, yes, I got duffel bags, crystal castles on my back, Louis this and Louis that. I'm so abstract, wait, no, to be exact, I'm the shit, y'all niggas might need a laxative to get me. My fit worth about $350, but if you had these, your swag would do a whole 360. You're not MCs, y'all just envy. Got a full clip now, watch it get empty. I know it sounds tempting, but bitch, don't test me, cause you can get blown up like bomb testing. Yeah, and I'm sick with the money, I could cough a stack. I'm sick with the money, I could cough a stack. Hey, 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 yeah. Verse 2. Footwork nasty, got the gangrene, gotta be contagious, cause my pockets got the same thing. I'm rolling with the same team, rolling with the same heat. Niggas mad at the steez, but bitch, don't blame me. Blame it on the money for what? Blame it on the goose. That's why I'm so fitted, and the other got your bitch loose. I'm on the highest altitude with a bad attitude, a fresh ass rapping dude, always coming back at you with an ill track or two, just doing what I gotta do. Flyer than the rest of them, but never had them Nike boots. That's why I lay, bitch, I'm wildin'. Them niggas tryna hate cause they know I'm so raw. Like Kanye said she wouldn't get far, just to the car then back to the mall. When it comes to the game, she know that I ball. I gave her a stack, said bitch, spend it all. Because I'm sick with the money, I can cough a stack. Yeah. Because I'm sick with the money, I can cough a stack. Yeah. Yeah. Because I'm sick with the money, I can cough a stack. Because I'm sick with the money, I can cough a stack. I perfected my hustle, made it through the struggle. To say the game confusing, but to me it's just a puzzle. The flow is untamed, nigga, I think I need a muzzle. You know my money long, long like Rapunzel. And I don't give a fuck, I just throw it up, throw it in the air, catch it, it's what's up. I'm on next, new nigga up front. And I'm sick with the money, I could cough a stack. In these SB dogs, had the slaps in the trunk. I got class, bitch, and y'all done flunk. And I graduated from flight school, I'm a fly dude. Sick with the money, man, bitch, I could buy two. Y'all can hate all you want, I'm so base. Came with nothing, now I'm in and out the bank. Fresh whips on 28s, had that perp in my drink. Always going hard, yeah, and all these niggas still lame. Plus I'm sick with the money, I could cough a stack. Plus I'm sick with the money, I could cough a stack. Plus I'm sick with the money, I could cough a stack. Plus I'm sick with the money, I could cough a stack.
Yardy.